how to bold text on Facebook post. Now, let's say you want to post a status. The status that you want to post is with passion, and you want to bolden the text of that specific Facebook status. All you have to do is to tap on this create a post right here, and just have to type in whatever you want it to be. Let's say bold text right here, and let's copy what we have typed right here and cut it. Now all we have to do is to go to our Chrome right here and search for a generator that will bolden the text right there. And now we can just go to a website that can bolden the text of our Facebook post right here. Now all we have to do is to paste what we want to bolden the text for right there. And now we are given various options to choose from on how we want our text to be bolded. This one. Now all we have to do is to copy it and go back to our Facebook. Now all we have to do now is to paste it to our Facebook account and just hit post right here. So that's how to bold text on Facebook posts. Hope we helped.